Oh hi, this is unboxing. So I got this on eBay and it's a Mode 2 loose graded figure. So I'm going to open this one, but this is a clue to what the figure is. So this is Stinky, Masters of the Universe Revelation. Very cool figure. It's reduced to £12. And most TK Maxes it's £11, so I don't know why this one was £1 more. It's got great artwork on the box. So this figure's famous for having a smell made of petroleum added. This one doesn't have that smell, but the original vintage one does. But it's a great looking piece. Other figures you can get. So far out of this done, I've got the merman, and because I got this graded figure, I've got this version as well of Stinky. So I'll be reviewing that in a minute. But let's get this unboxed. So this is the unboxing video, then I'll do a review of this and a review of that. Let's see, I can't see where, let me see where the thing is. Get it opened. Yeah. Oh, I see. So it's sealed from the top, I think. Oh gosh. This one doesn't want to open. Let me see. Doing a terrible job with this unboxing. Yeah, got it open there. I can get it open. I just put polystyrene inside to protect it. It's not bad. So it's no surprise as to what this figure is. UKG graded, and it's the original Stinky. Let's get it out of the bag. Nice looking figure, that. So he has the merman body, but done up in like a skunk with that famous piece of armour, the orange armour, which they've recreated on the new figure. So this is what I got. Masters of the Universe Stinky Series 3 1983, Top Toys Argentina, blah blah blah. Both subs are 85, the whole grade is 85. Comes with the shield. Very nice looking figure. So this one's the Smelly Skunk by Top Toys. There's the back of the figure. Back of his head. Very nice. There's the shield he gets to hold. It's nice the way they've put it in like that. So that's Stinky, Argentine figure by Top Toys. So I don't know how this differs. This might be quite accurate to the more regular Mattel, say Taiwan release. But as it was the Top Toys, you can see the sort of merman face there. I think on this new figure they've given him like textured fur and stuff like that. There's a good image of the two. So I'll do a review of the Masterverse figure next. So I hope you like that unboxing and waffle. Cheers, goodbye.